Hello friends, welcome to Talk with Shivi channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on National Law Day or Constitution Day. Let's start the lines. Constitution Day of India is celebrated on 26th November every year. Constitution Day of India is also known as Samvidhan Divas in Hindi. It is also known as National Law Day or National Constitution Day. 26th November is very important in the history of independent India because on this day in 1949 the Constitution of India was adopted. The first Constitution Day of India was observed on November 26, 2015. The day was celebrated to spread awareness about Constitution of India. The Indian government in 2015 declared 26th November as Constitution Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January 1950 because on this day the Constitution of India came into effect. To remember the contributions of the makers of the Constitution and to aware the people regarding the prominent values of it, 26th November is celebrated as the Constitution Day. All the government offices or institutions this day starts with reading the preamble of the Constitution. Many seminars and lectures are also organized in the schools and colleges on this day. According to the Constitution, all fundamental rights given to the citizens of India is free of birth discrimination. So friends, these are 10 lines on National Law Day or Constitution Day. I hope these are helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more